Oh my god, guys, I just got back from Winnie school and I went to pick Winnie up from school, and god, the weather is so hot. I even took a bus. I could not walk because the weather, the sun is hot, really hot. The weather this year is just complicated. Today is cold, tomorrow is so hot. I don't even understand the weather anymore. My goodness. Last week, we were at home all through the week. Nobody went out, no work, no school, because it rained here and flood carried Emilia Romagna, which is one part of Italy where I live. As we are speaking right now, as I'm speaking to you guys right now, there are still some people that are homeless. A lot of people are homeless right now. Flood carried their houses, their stores. As in, the flood did wonders. Maybe you guys must have seen it on the news or online. And today, the weather is so hot. Yesterday, it was hot, but today, no. And they even said it was going to rain today. But today, there's no rain and it's just so hot. My God. The weather this year is not so, it's just somehow. Nobody can predict it anymore. So, I just got back now and I've got a pack. I want to unbox it with you guys. Oh God, these girls, they are dealing with me, seriously. When I say they are dealing with me, they are dealing with me. When she stops now, the sister will start. Oh my God. Because this is, I think this, because I ordered a lot of things, but they are just coming one after the other because I ordered them on the same day, but all of them will not come the same time because different sellers. So let me see what's inside this one. Let me see what's inside this one. Let me quickly unbox it because these guys, they will not let me breathe. So I've opened it and voila, this is for Winnie. Because recently we found out that she likes to read ABCD because she sees it in cartoon. So we went to a shop called Big Boss Store where we do buy their things prenatal. So she saw alphabets, those, I don't know what they call it, all those alphabets, kind of carpet, but it's alphabet. So she saw it and she requested for it. We bought it for her. Those ones are so big. My God, the whole house is filled up right now. She threw it everywhere, but she likes it. Every time she brings it out, call the father to tell the father that they should come and arrange it. So I just found this one on Amazon. This one is a little bit small and it's portable that she can always carry anywhere. So that's why I ordered this one for her. I think I ordered this one even yesterday and it came now. So this is from Winnie. Let me see how it is. So this is how it is. It has ABCD at the front, and then 1, 2, 3, and it's even 2. I thought it's 1. This is for 1, 2, 3 and shapes, and this is for ABCD. This is how it is. Just like a board, but you can remove it and then fit it back. Let me just be fast because Mimi has started crying. So see that small girl. This one is breast milk storage. Yeah, and this one is for breast milk storage, to store breast milk, because I'm planning on stopping breastfeeding for baby, for Mimi, because guys, I'm getting too fat. Look at me, Odide. I'm so fat now. So I just have to stop breastfeeding because I'll be resuming work soon. Very soon I'll be resuming work. So I have to stop her breastfeeding so that she can eat more of solid. So that's why I just got this one too. I will pump a lot of this one, a lot of breast milk, and store it inside the freezer that she can be taking even when she stops taking directly from my breast. So that's why I ordered this one.